Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to look at this third programming exercise. It's asking read a time in the form of hour, minute, second, storing the parts of the time in the integer variables hour, minute and second. Skip the colons using this, and they are asking to enter the time from the user. Like we have to get the input from the user in this format, and we have to print it like this. Okay, now let's see how to create that. So the basic thing is we have to get the input from the user like this, 12, 35, 68, and then we have to give the output like this. Now let's go ahead and do that. First, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in order to store this one, we need 8 characters. So we are going to create a character type of variable that will store 8 places. So in order to do that, we are going to introduce a character type of variable and an array. I'm going to put it in an array, so it will store right there. So character t, and we put 8 in this array, and then we are going to give the prompt to the user to type the time in that format. So the prompt is going to be enter time in hour, minute and second. Okay, and format, second format. Okay, now in the next one is we are going to get the input from the user. That's going to be a scanf statement. Scanf. In this one, we are going to, the user is going to input, 3 of them are going to be integer type of variable. So we put %d and then %d, and the first one is hour. So we store that one in hour. Since this is an integer type of variable, I have to introduce that one too. I have to introduce hour, minute, second. Integer, hour, minute, second, and here we are going to store this one in, after we get the input from the user, we are going to store this one in hour, minute, second. But since this is a variable, we had to remind ourselves that we had to put ampersand in front. Okay, if it's an array, we don't have to put it, but this is integer type of variable, so we have to put this ampersand sign. So and hour and minute and second. Okay, semicolon right here. And the next one is we are going to give the printf statement. Printf hour. First we are going to print the hour. That's going to be %d and \n for the new line. And that one is hour, and then let me copy paste this one. We are going to do the same thing for minute and second. So this is hour and then minute. And the third one is second. Okay, that's it. Let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, print, it should be printf. Okay, let's run this. Okay, it should be okay. Enter the time in hour, minute, second. Let's go ahead and enter in that pattern. 12. It's a little bit slow. I don't know. Like this is an online compiler, so it's slowing. Okay. The next one is 35. Okay. The next one is 68. Okay, when I enter, it should give the output in this pattern. See, we are getting hour is equal to 12, minute is equal to 35, second is equal to 68. That's what they are asking for, right? And that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to try if you want to try C and C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos on that in my playlist. And also, if you want to try this course, it's all in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in this description, so you can go ahead and try them. And thanks for watching.